Welcome to AI ConvoCast, where we bring you the latest in AI and tech innovation. Quick housekeeping. Check out the affiliate links in our description. Using them supports the show, and please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Let's jump right in. Today, we will be exploring three major AI technology announcements: Google's launch of Gemini for Home with new Nest hardware, OpenAI's release of Sora 2 with a new iOS app, and GitHub's latest Copilot updates featuring automatic model selection in VS Code. Google has unveiled its next-generation smart home platform called Gemini for Home, alongside refreshed Nest hardware. This marks a significant evolution as Google replaces the aging Google Assistant with its more capable Gemini AI across its smart home ecosystem. The company introduced the Nest Cam Indoor 2K and Nest Cam Outdoor 2K, both priced at $99.99, while the new Nest Doorbell 2K comes in at $179.99. These new devices feature impressive 2K HDR video, wider fields of view, and color night vision. What's particularly interesting is that Google is offering 6 hours of free video clip storage, a departure from their previous approach that required a subscription for any history. For those wanting extended storage, Google has rebranded its subscription service from Nest Aware to Google Home Premium, starting at around $10 per month. The Google blog states that this represents a fundamentally new foundation for Google Home, powered by our most capable AI yet, Gemini. The Verge noted, these are the first hardware designed for the AI-powered Gemini for Home platform. The rollout begins this month with impressive backward compatibility. Many Google Home and Nest devices dating back to 2015 will support the new platform. The redesigned Google Home app enables multi-user voice profiles, allowing Gemini to recognize different household members and provide personalized responses. Google is also bringing Gemini Live, its conversational mode, directly to smart home devices, enabling more natural, continuous dialogues. In other major news, OpenAI has officially launched Sora 2, the next generation of its text-to-video AI system, along with a standalone Sora iOS app now available on an invite-only basis in the US and Canada. This marks a significant expansion beyond the ChatGPT integration that Sora has had until now. The new Sora app allows users to generate 10-second AI videos with synchronized audio, a significant advancement as previous versions were limited to silent video. Two key features have been introduced: Remix, which lets users modify existing AI-generated videos, and Cameo, a framework for consensual likeness casting that addresses some of the deepfake concerns. According to OpenAI's Help Center, we are slowly enabling access to the Sora app and Sora 2. Reuters confirmed that OpenAI has announced the release of Sora 2 as a standalone application. OpenAI has implemented several safety measures, including visible watermarks and C2PA metadata, to identify AI-generated content. The Cameo feature includes consent controls, and there are restrictions on using public figures' likenesses. While currently limited to iOS in North America, OpenAI plans to expand web access through Sora.com and later release an Android version. The creative community is particularly excited about the audio synchronization capabilities, which enable much more immersive and complete video experiences. However, this advancement also intensifies ongoing conversations about deepfakes and content authenticity. GitHub has rolled out several important updates to its Copilot AI coding assistant, with the most notable being auto model selection for Copilot Business and enterprise users in Visual Studio Code. This feature intelligently selects the most appropriate AI model based on the coding task at hand, optimizing for both performance and cost. According to the GitHub changelog, auto model selection is now in VS Code for Copilot Business and Enterprise. This follows recent developments including the general availability of the Copilot coding agent and the new ability to start your new repository with Copilot Coding Agent. The updates span from September 30th to October 1st and include organization policy-based enablement, improved reliability for the Copilot Spark feature, and enhanced context memory for pull requests. These changes are particularly significant for enterprise customers who need both cutting-edge AI capabilities and robust governance controls. By automating model selection, GitHub is addressing a key friction point for enterprise adoption: the need to manually choose between different AI models with varying capabilities and costs. This lets developers focus on coding while the system optimizes the AI assistance in the background. These updates reflect GitHub's continued commitment to integrating AI across the development stack while providing the controls and reliability that enterprise customers demand. The tight integration with VS Code, GitHub's most popular editor integration, ensures these capabilities reach a vast number of professional developers. Thank you for listening to AI Convo Cast. Please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Thanks and hope to see you again next time.